today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Microsoft Word settings, particularly focusing on turning off or on the automatic numbered lists feature. This can be a helpful adjustment for those who often find themselves battling with automatic list formatting that Word imposes. Let's take it step by step and make sure you gain full control over your document's formatting preferences. First, you'll need to open up your Microsoft Word file. It's best if you're working within a document where you'd normally encounter issues with automatic numbering. But any Word document will do, even a blank one if you're just looking to practice navigating the settings. With your document open, we'll head to the next step. Direct your attention to the upper left corner, where you'll see the File tab prominently placed on the ribbon toolbar. Clicking on it will take you to a menu that provides options for saving, printing, sharing, and more. But our focus today is down a bit further on the word Options. It might feel like you're entering the belly of the beast, but fear not. Customization awaits. After you click on Options, a new window will appear filled with a wide array of categories and settings. Scroll down or look through these categories to find Proofing. Selecting this will open up a new world of options that allow you to tailor your proofreading experience and more. Now within the sprawling menu that pops up, find and click the button labeled Autocorrect Options. It's here that you can manage how Word autocorrects and formats stuff as you type. Upon clicking, another dialog box appears, and this is where the magic really happens. Focus your attention on the top of this new box, where you'll see multiple tabs. We're interested in the Auto Format as You Type tab. Clicking on this tab allows you to see various features that automatically alter text as you type it. Now comes the key moment. You'll notice an option labeled Automatic Numbered Lists with a checkbox beside it. To disable automatic numbered lists, simply uncheck this box. Alternatively, if you want this feature enabled, ensure the box is checked. This simple action lets you toggle the feature on or off as per your need. Once you've made your selection, you'll want to confirm your choice by clicking OK. This will save your changes and close the dialog boxes, returning you to your Word document where the settings will immediately take effect. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've taken control of automatic numbered lists in Microsoft Word, making your document editing process a bit smoother and much more aligned to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide proves helpful in your future word processing tasks.